How to remove safe search on Chrome. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can remove safe search on Chrome, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to remove safe search on Chrome, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all launch the Google application or the Chrome app as well. So I'm showing on my Google, but it also works for Google Chrome. So once you open the Google app, here you're going to see this tab of interface where you have to just tap the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the profile icon from the top right, here you'll find a section where it says settings, so you want to make sure to just tap on settings. Once you tap on settings, over here if you scroll, then you're going to find an option where it says safe search, so you want to make sure to just tap on safe search. As you tap on safe search, if this filter is currently turned on, you just want to make sure to turn it off and the safe search is going to be removed. And if you don't know what safe search is basically a filter on your Chrome search engine that's just going to help you hide explicit content whenever you're trying to search for something. And when it's off, you'll see the most relevant results for your search, which may include explicit content like images of violence. And hope this video helped you as to how you can remove safe search on Chrome. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.